Okay, so next question is theoretical question. Creep strengths are the options are caused due to dead load only, caused due to live load only, caused due to cyclic load only, and fourth is independent of load. So what is the answer? The answer is it is caused due to dead load only. Okay, see, one more question asked in 2013. So this is just a theoretical you should know the theory. Let's talk about creep. Okay, so just I will show you the what do you mean by creep. Basically, what is creep? So creep is basically it is a permanent deformation. Permanent deformation. Okay, so no need to remember the definition as such, but you should know the concept that what do you mean by creep. So creep is basically a permanent deformation which is time dependent. Basically it is recorded with passage of time, and that too at constant loading. Okay, so key terms you should remember. The key terms is it is time dependent. Okay, so just I am writing some of the key points. Dependent, so that you can understand what is creep. Creep basically it is a permanent deformation, right? Not like elastic deformation. Elastic deformation में क्या होता है कि once the load is removed, then it the body comes into its original size and shape. Okay, but creep में क्या है? It is a permanent deformation and it is time dependent. Okay, at constant loading means the load is not changed, the load will remain same. Okay, so I can I tell it as right as plastic deformation. So basically it is plastic deformation also. Permanent deformation and plastic deformation both are same thing, right? So one more thing which you can remember is rate of creep. Rate of creep decreases with time. Decreases with time. Okay, so initially it is high, and after that the rate of creep it is decreasing with time. So basically permanent deformation or plastic deformation, it is we can say that it is non-recoverable in nature. So progressive deformation, progressive deformation at constant load, that is also creep. So load is constant but the deformation goes on, so it is time dependent, and the rate of creep decreases with time. Now one more thing, the temperature at which creep is uncontrollable is called homologous temperature. Okay, so many times they are asking homologous temperature, so that is the temperature at which creep is uncontrollable, that it is called as homologous temperature. Okay, and related to it, one more point you can remember is creep increases with increase in temperature. This is very important. Creep increases with increase in temperature. Ductile metals show what? Show more creep than brittle metals or brittle materials, basically materials. So this is also important point.